Check out these new Renegade Industrial 4ARC sensor auto darkening welding helmets. These Trade Tools exclusive welding helmets utilize revolutionary 4ARC sensor technology to darken the lens quickly and reliably, ensuring maximum eye protection throughout the welding process. The True Color lens allows a wider color spectrum to pass through the lens, letting you recognize colors and contours quicker. These welding helmets boast a range of features including an extra large 100mm wide viewing area, delay control between 0.15 and 0.8 seconds with a 0.04 millisecond switching time, adjustable shade settings with a handy knob on the side of the helmet, and variable sensitivity controls on the inside of the helmet, plus a built-in battery backup system with a low battery warning light. The helmet even features a grind mode, so you don't have to waste time on the job changing helmets or having your workpiece unnecessarily dimmed. With a UV protection of up to shade 16 and a variable dark shade of DIN 5 to DIN 9 and 9 to 13, you have a trade duty welding helmet capable of easily handling every welding task. Perfect for MIG, TIG and arc welding, you will not be able to find a welding helmet with similar specifications and quality at this price. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com.